In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you've added a transition between clips and later decide you don't want it, the good news is that removing it is very quick and easy. This is useful if you want a cleaner cut, if the transition feels too distracting, or if you simply changed your mind while editing. I'll walk you through the simplest way to delete a transition directly from your timeline, and I'll also show you another way to do it using the Inspector panel. To begin, go to the video clip area in your timeline where you want to remove the transition. You'll need to locate the transition that has been placed between your clips. In DaVinci Resolve, transitions usually appear right at the edit point where one clip meets another, so look carefully at the cut between the two clips. Once you've found the transition, click directly on it in the timeline. This selects the transition and makes it easier to manage. If you prefer, you can also use the Inspector for a more detailed view. To do that, go to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Inspector tab. When the transition is selected, you should see a Transition section or Transition tab appear in the Inspector, where you can review the transition settings. From here, there are two simple ways to remove it. If you're working from the timeline, just right-click on the selected transition and then choose Delete. That will remove the transition immediately. If you're using the Inspector instead, go to the Transition section and click the trash icon. This does the same thing and removes the transition from between the clips. And that's it. Once deleted, your clips will return to a normal cut without the transition effect. If you don't see the transition options in the Inspector, make sure the transition itself is selected and not just one of the clips. That's a small detail that can save you time if the panel doesn't look the way you expect. So whenever you need to clean up your edit or simplify your timeline, just select the transition, delete it from the timeline, or remove it with the trash icon in the Inspector. It's a fast edit that can make a big difference in the flow of your video.